Alrighty, so in this video, we're now going to start working on our Rails here. Let's go back to our code. In here, we can simply open a new terminal. Here, let's create PHP artisan make Livewire Rails. Click enter. Right now, this will create our component and our blade file. So with that, now let's go to our web. In here, let's create a Rail route. Here we can say Rails. Here also this one right here. And this, it will call the Rails from the app Livewire Rails, because we already have a Rails from profile. Alright, so after calling that, here now click on Rails. Alright, after doing that, now let's go to our sidebar. And here in our sidebar, we can come to Rails, yes, right here. Let's do the same thing we did up here in our Explore. So here you just copy this to make the coding faster. In here we can say if request route is Rails, then we can add an else. Alright, so now here, since the commented one is actually the one which is filled, so we can just uncomment this, copy this field row, put it here, and then this other one, cut it, put it there. Format the document. Right, after doing that, now we can simply copy this again. Request route is Rails. And here let's just add a few classes. So you can say this request route is Rails. If that is true, then I'm gonna add font bold, or else font medium. Just remove this font media from here. Alright, after adding that, now one last thing is that here in the class, in the navigate, here add route Rails, like that. And here one last thing, add wire navigate to add a full SPA features. Alright, now if we go back, refresh that page. Okay, now if I click on the Rails here, it's working fine. You can see at the top is Rails, and our Rails has been highlighted as selected here. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.